Ito yung klase ng pang-end gaming na motor kung gusto mo lang ng isang motor sa garahe na kayang ibigay sa iyo ang performance ng sport bike at comfort ng isang adventure bike. At eto mga dudes, wala nang iba kundi ang Yamaha Tracer 9 GT. It's basically the same torquey engine platform from your favorite Yamaha Sport Naked bike and the rumored upcoming Yamaha Sport Bike DR9. Bit-bit neto madis ang trademark 890cc inline 3, dual overhead count 12 valves liquid-cooled engine that's capable of 119 horsepower at 10k RPM with a whopping 93 Nm at 7k RPM. Ito yung klase ng motor na kayang tumakbo ng 0 to 100 sa loob lamang ng 3.5 seconds. Oh, it's a fast bike, madits, pero ang pinaka-purpose talaga ng motor na to ay hindi lang para makapunta ka ng point A to point B ng mabilis, kundi this is one of those bikes na